Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for a render price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the first time I analyze a render on this channel, of course live. I did this before for the Discord, where of course I published the render on Discord. But yeah, so let's share what's going on here. Um, in a render on the daily chart, we are looking at ABC definitely here for a wave a W, probably if you are in a wave W. We are looking after this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect impulse towards the upside with the orange scenario, probably finishing a wave 1 or a wave A even. And in that case scenario, you would like to see higher prices. However, your wave 2 must be A, B, and a C. We have already A, B, C, but we did not reach the 0.38 fib level taken from the top here and the bottom, of course, of your impulse. So we still have a gap, of course, to hit this fib. And that means your wave 2 might be still extending as 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down, of course, to reach your 0.38 fib level, and then start to moving towards the upside impulsively. Of course, that will be your wave 3 and then 4 and a 5 for your impulse, or for your wave C, of course. Now, in your bearish scenario, as you said, you have finished here as W, right, as a 3 ways down. In case that this is, of course, a WXY, it can be that this, might be a zigzag X and another zigzag as, of course, a wave X here. And then, of course, you have then WX, and you're looking for a wave Y towards the downside. By all means, you would like, of course, to reach lower prices, and that also still opens the scenario for a wave 2 at the same time. So as you can see, the whole fibs of a wave 2, the perfect fib level is, of course, at 0.618 and 0.78. Now, your wave Y definitely wants to take the low. It wants to take the W. Otherwise, of course, that cannot be a wave Y. And that means, of course, if you are getting, of course, hitting under the 0.78, then definitely you are in a bearish scenario. However, yeah, it's very, very hard to say that, okay, I mean, this is not a trade here, right? And by all means, in both case scenarios, if you are bullish, you want to move towards the downside. Now, the question is how much? Is it only 0.38, 0.5? So for that, of course, you need kind of like signal in the price action where you want to see a 5 waves up and 3 waves down, then continuation, plus some indicators like KGT, CBD signal, and some accumulation for buyers, and or some other kind of indicators, right? Um, and if you are, of course, a very, very bearish, so yeah, of course, I mean, this is a perfect fib for a wave 2. So it can be even a wave C like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, yeah, so that's why I'm saying you want to see lower prices, but you have to be careful on these fib levels for a reversal. Yeah, so this is what you need to watch for in render. On the 1 hour chart, we can see, of course, here if we are in a wave B, or let's go for our chart a little bit because, it looks a lot of overlaps inside the 1 hour chart. But obviously, we are corrective here, guys. We are very obviously corrective, ABCA by ABC, as you can see. We don't have still any clear, as you can see, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, yeah? So that is a wave C. If you see it as an impulse, this is a wave C, guys. 5 waves, 3 by 3 by 5, yeah? So your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here. So yeah, basically, probably you have started already here by something impulsive. Let's get clearer a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Again, invalidation here. So yeah, we still need to see what's going on, but it doesn't look, it doesn't look impulsive anyway, but it might be a leading diagonal, nobody knows, and then moving towards the downside, yeah. So this can be the scenario. So yeah, so that was it for render. I hope that you like it. If you did, of course, You can press the like button if you want, and you can join even our Discord channel for more TAs requests as well. And of course, it is always a pleasure to give you any kind of TAs, guys. So yeah, thank you for your likes, for your comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.